Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This week ending 4/18 of 2021 and the stock was SAVE. This happened on the 13th. The strategy was based on a 60-minute DTS breakdown play with an entry on a 1-minute be the tail, management advanced, and reward to risk 2.4 to 1. As usual, before we look at this particular trade, let's take a look what's free this week for the members at DTS. There is a special event on Wednesday at 5 o'clock called Common Sense. You can stop and read the screen if you like. You also will receive email invitations. You can read it there if you would like also. If you're a member, you will get your invites automatically on Wednesday. If you're seeing this and you're not a member of DTS, hop on over to the DTS homepage. That's Disciplined Trading Strategies, and figure out how you can become a member. This is the daily chart of SAVE, and the daily chart doesn't tell us a whole lot here other than it was acceptable to look at this as one more day down. This was a short on SAVE. That's where we're going to open, and that's what it'll look like afterwards. I was actually capturing that move down in that bottoming tail right there. The stock did rally back that day. That is not the way I would have traded it. The move down, I think, was fairly certain. The move up was questionable. Remember, stocks can do anything. It's not a matter of going back and trying to reverse engineer what happened. It's a matter of knowing the odds and following the odds. Here is the 15-minute chart, which gives you a little better view than the 60, so I'm using the 15 here. And all that's happening here you see in this chart is we open there beneath that consolidation from the prior day after falling and consolidating, and we pop back into that area in there. The stock rebounded out of that area and fell very quickly. Isn't technical analysis wonderful? 5-minute chart giving you a little better detail of the trades, the entries and stops. The stock opened right there, and the entry was right there under 35.80 with a stop over 36.20. This is one of those instant gratification trades because the stock fell very sharply immediately for a very nice first target of 35.03. And then as it really accelerated lower, it was all taken. This was actually perfect management on this. Got that second target, only 2 targets right before the low was made, and then the stock rallied back the rest of the day. In this case, it was not just luck. I'm lucky sometimes, but you had 2 things here. You had a daily chart, if you go back and look at it, that actually was hitting an area that would have stopped it from falling. I didn't necessarily expect it to rally back that strong. But number 2, when you want to hold something all day long or short, you want that bleed to happen, that slow, consistent selling process in this case. And it very much accelerated, meaning that the sellers washed out and it was going to rebound back. So even if it had gone lower, I would have had to sit through a retracement, significant one, and I didn't want to do that. So I took the money and ran. The whole trade only lasted about 40 minutes. Not my intent, but that's the way this one played out. 1-minute chart gives you a little bit more detail. The stock rallied initially out of that gap down, took that short up in there. You know the numbers already. Target 1 on the biggest red bar of that decline could have been the bottom for a while. And then it kept going lower, so I was forced to take the rest of it just before it hit that low there. If you like trades like this that are well planned, well designed in a focused trading room, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. We focus on the first couple of hours, pretty much it. If you're interested, you can hop on over to the DTS webpage and go to the Trading Room and Letters page, and you can figure out how to join us. This is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.